everyone, welcome to C4E. I'm Upeksha and I'm absolutely thrilled to have you here as we kick off this incredible journey together. Whether you have complete beginner tools, someone looking to dive deep into the world of technology, you have come to the right place. But hey, I'm not doing this alone. Alongside me are three amazing people, Ashin, Vimansa and Dhananjay, who will be joining us throughout this journey. Trust me, you are going to love meet them in our upcoming videos. At C4E, our goal is simple, to make coding and programming accessible to everyone. Yeah, that means even if you have never written a single line of code, this channel is for you. Together we will break down complex concepts, explore new ideas, and help you gain the confidence to create and innovate. Whether you are here to learn, explore, or simply be inspired, we are so glad to have you with us. So hit this subscribe button, join our community, and get ready for some exciting videos ahead. Programming simply means the ability to instruct the computer on what it should do and, if necessary, how to troubleshoot problems. It's more or less like talking to machine in their special languages. Programming surrounded us, inside the app in our phones, the software in our car, and even the system that runs space missions. Combine logics, creativity, and problem solving. It turns idea into reality. Perhaps one of the most vital skills today's digital world can offer. Programming has quite an interesting history dating back to the 80s, being with the Ada Lovelace, who created the first algorithm. Over time, the art of programming went through 5 stages. The first one was using machine language binary code. Then came the second stage, assembly language, which made it much easier to create code because instructions were easy to handle. Then came high-level languages like Python, Java, and C, where future made it increasingly similar to human languages. The fourth generation focused on task-specific languages, such as those for database query, while the fifth generation emphasizes artificial intelligence and self-learning systems. See you soon in the next video because the best is yet to come. Bye bye.